Hello everyone, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning from Chame. So today we will go from Chame to main Manang, and yeah, so we'll go by walk and I will be showing you all the things. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, Labda.
Good morning, good morning.
So right now we are here for tea. Yeah, we will have a hot tea and then we'll leave. So I want to tell you something that from the basis Sahar, this grandpa who is over 60 years came with us, and he came to Manang looking for a job. So he has like 3 or 4 kids, and his wife, they are right now they are at the Dading, but he came here to another place where he don't know anyone, with all the strangers, with the hope of getting a job so he could have some food on summertime. Yeah, he has been with us. He's so pure-hearted, like so simple and talk very nicely. But he may be over 60 years old, but he works faster than us. He doesn't get tired easily like us. Yes. This is the Manang Chame Breeze. Yeah, that's my friend Ekon. केवल तार रे केवल कार बन So this right here ends the Chame. So now begins the Pisang, and I think in Pisang there are like 3 parts, or maybe 4, I don't know. And the first part begins now. And it said, welcome to Pisang 1, or in Nepali, welcome to Talikhu Pisang 1. So yeah, let's go. The sun is already here. Yeah, it's good, warm, pleasant.
Welcome, everybody. Balik moku. Tadi ko pisang. Gaung Palika.
So we have arrived at the Talikhu village. Yep. In every village of Manang, you will find this kind of Dharma wheeler or Dharma wheel, because most of them are, like 99% of them are Buddhist. So yeah. must be the last house of Untitled village. So from here, we will reach the Bratang village, and there's something you have never seen before in Bratang village. So yeah, let's go. अन्त बाजे कस्तो भइरहेछ रमाइलो भइरहेछ So the Bratang is a little far from expected. We have been walking and Bratang. We haven't reached Bratang yet. There is still a long way to go. From up here, that Marshangdi river looks like a silver river, right? Doesn't it look like silver? Yep. That one must be crazy. So we have reached the Bratang village, and Bratang's special is this, that there's a huge apple farm here, which I want to show you all. So these are all apple plant. Yep, apple trees, or you won't believe, like it's so tiny. How can it hold apple, right? But it's true that these are all apple tree. So this is our Bratang village. Yep. Look at this. Everything here is about apple. Bratang village is all about apple. It may look like bamboo, but believe me, these are all apple trees. I can't even imagine how many apples they grow in a year, and I've heard that they make like crore and crore. Yep, beautiful, isn't it? Look at this village, man. Everything here is about apple. I think till now the Bratang village is most beautiful one. Yep. They are saying that do not steal their apples.
बर्ताङ बन्ने ठाउँमा स्वागत छ। यहाँमा विश्वमा कुनै जग्गामा नफुल्ने स्याउ फुल्छ यहाँ। अब हाम्रो पहिला मुस्ताङमा फुल्थ्यो, अहिले यहाँ विदेशदेखि अर्को स्याउ ल्याएर यहाँको माटो छ नि, कुनै पनि मोल भन्दा पनि खतरा सक्छ यहाँको माटोमा मात्र त्यति खतरा सक्छ। यहाँ त यो गाउँभरि स्याउ नै स्याउ छ, घर त एउटा मात्र, त्यो पनि फ्याक्ट्री हो फ्याक्ट्री।
This must be the apple factory. Wow, there is a cafe here in Manang, Bradan Village. Looks wonderful. So this is the farmhouse. I can't go in, but I will show you around. Here I am outside of the farmhouse. Obviously, I'm not going in. So if you could ever, if you wanna tour the farmhouse, you can come here and tour this farmhouse. Yeah, I'm sure you will see lots of things, lots of beautiful and amazing things over there. So yeah, great.
यहाँ बर्दानको फ्रेस एप्पल जुस पाइरहेछ अब यो पिउन आँटेको म चिसोमा पनि
मिठो छ स्याउ जस्तै छ
तपाईँ पनि ट्राई गर्नु न एक मिनट
Made in Nepal, made in Manang, apple juice.
मेड इन बना
These are the apples. Yep, see, not so big, but yeah.
दिनु कि
Apple donut,
दि घुम के ओरेको
apple cake. This is the cafe coffee shop of Bratang, Manang. I am a coffee lover, so yeah, I need coffee. Yep, my coffee is here. It's different when you drink coffee. This right here is apple juice, but with yarza gumbo, and it costs like 1,000 rupees. Yep. And this one is apple jam. This one is yak pickle. So they were so generous and they gave us apple for free. Yep. कस्तो छ
एप्पल
मिठो छ
के भनौँ कोही नहो कि आमा हाम्रो देशलाई सिकाउने नै यस्तै हो एउटा सानो हेर्नु न के भनौँ तपाईँले
Believe me, it's so delicious.
Yes, you are coming in eating this apple. Organic apple, organic.
कस्तो रहेछ साउ बाजे
मिठो छ
अति मिठो
धेरै मिठो छ
So guys, this was the vlog from Chame to Bratang Village, and I pray to God that may this apple business of Bratang Manang may it grow bigger and bigger and bigger. It was so delicious. The apple was so delicious, and may everyone get to taste it. Yeah. And yeah, thank you everyone, and the journey continues, so don't forget to watch my next episode. Goodbye, thank you.